Alrighty guys, welcome to Jeff Jones Marine. Today's spotlight boat is the Falcon F21. Let's do a walk around and let's check this boat out. Alright guys, we're going to do a little walk around the boat. This boat comes with a spare tire, dual axle trailer, the real nice trailer step, breakaway tongue for storage in the garage. This boat comes from the factory with a Minn Kota Ultrix, 2 Humminbird fish finders. Comes with a Yamaha 250 SS with power poles. Let's climb up in the boat and let's check this boat out. Alrighty guys, we're up in the boat. First thing I notice when I get up in this boat is tons of storage. All the storage has locks. Dual live well. Rod lockers. All the storage and rod lockers all have key locks. Pedestal seat. Minn Kota Ultrix trolling motor. Let's go back here. Humminbird on the dash. Alrighty guys, that's a quick overview of the Falcon F21 boat. If you want some more information about the specs, the storage, the compartments and live well spaces, you can check Falcon Boats out. This is their website. If you're interested in buying this boat or have some questions about this boat, call Frank at Jeff Jones Marine. This is his phone number. Or you can visit Jeff Jones Marine website. This is their website. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tight lines and be safe on the water.